Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside settings because the keyboard itself must be active before you add emoji. Open General Management, then Language and Input, and tap On-Screen Keyboard. Select Samsung Keyboard. If it's not listed, install from the Galaxy Store, then return and enable it. Once done, make sure to grant required permissions so suggestions and emoji panels work properly. Permissions let the keyboard access emoji packs and predictive choices. This step prepares the device so the emoji toggle appears in messaging apps. You now configure the Samsung keyboard to display the emoji panel and suggestions. Go into Samsung keyboard settings and open Smart Typing or Layout and Customization. Turn on emoji and emoji suggestions so icons show above the keys and in predictions. If you prefer a dedicated emoji key, customize the keyboard toolbar or set long press actions, long press enter, or the comma key to open emoji quickly. These options change how you access emoji, making typing faster and ensuring emoji appear in the keyboard ribbon. You finish by testing and resolving common issues so emoji are reliably available. Open Messages or any text field, tap the emoji key or long press enter to open the panel, then pick an emoji. If it doesn't appear, clear the Samsung keyboard cache in apps, restart the phone, and confirm keyboard permissions. That often fixes loading glitches. Finally, update the Samsung keyboard app and check that no alternate language keyboard is overriding the layout. These steps complete setup and troubleshoot the most frequent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.